Yo yo yo, it's me, Affax here with some trash content. And because I have a lot of trash today, I need to get straight to the point, so let's get started.
I'm the trash man!
I've done a lot in the past 2 weeks, and today I'll show you all of it. So just stick with me through this video. To get started, I needed to create a state where the player is dead, so they can fly around the map and spectate alive players while the match is still going. And at this point there's no way to die, so I needed to create a death box, and to solve that problem I created the forever box. And isn't it looking kinda dead inside like me? After that, I created this spring-like text that shows when a match is starting and when a player wins. I actually simulate the spring action with a math function, and nobody understands math, especially me, so I just tried to make this work, and somehow it actually came out pretty well, and I'm pretty glad and pretty happy about the new look of the text. I also added these kinda cheesy win messages, and if you have any ideas for them, just send them in the comment section and I'll be sure to add them to the game. And at the start you could actually move while the number was counting down, and well, that shouldn't actually happen, so I needed to add a system that blocks you from moving before the countdown actually reaches 0, like it should do. Right now, winning doesn't give you anything. Sure, you don't die and lose your life, but to be honest, there's no reason to stay alive. And being a ghost is pretty epic, by the way. But now I added a crown, so when you win, you actually get something, and it's worth your life, yes! I also made winning stylish by adding slow-mo to it when you win, so now you can kill your friends in style. Even though you have no friends, you need to know when they join or leave, so I added this simple text that shows when a new player joins or leaves the match. Everybody knows that I'm big brain, so I of course made a typo in friends. Everybody knows that I'm lonely, so of course the only word I mistype in the whole game is friends, the things that I'm missing. Please help me, guys. If you win, you are actually in a disadvantage, because if you look up, you can see the crown and not actually things you would want to see. So on the local player, I decided to disable the crown if you win. So now when you look up, there's nothing and you can actually see, and if anybody else gets the crown, you can still see them, and you can also feel the pain of being worse than them because they always win the rounds. Big sad, guys. Let's get a like on this video. And 4 players isn't enough, so I added double the amount of allowed players, and that's a big brain moment. And now you can have actual 8 players playing on a match at the same time. And as you can see in my update notes, I fixed saving like 10 times already, and that's more than I can actually count, but still, this is the last time I fix saving. Hopefully. This should work now, and you should actually be able to save your settings. Also, right now the knockback is really weird. When you hit another player, you yourself go flying, and you go flying really fast up the sky. So I needed to fix that. So I added normal knockback, and the actual other player gets knocked. And maybe 50 is a too high of a number for right now. So I tuned it down like half, and now it's much better. You can also see players in the pause menu now. If you are the host, you can actually kick them. So if your friend is modding the game like a bad boy they are, you can kick them, and you can also see everybody else who's in the match right now. And right now there's no good way to start a match. You can press the K button, but many people don't even know about it, and I fixed that. I added a start vote, so when everybody in the match presses start, the match starts. And that's a much better way to create it than just letting the host press one button that like one person knows about. And to top this week off, I added this frying pan. The frying pan is kinda OP, to be honest. It knocks a lot, but you have to be close range with it, and other players can just shoot you when you are trying to actually come close. And there's no lava right now, so there's no way to actually die, well, except the forever box. But there's no real way to kill your friends. And lava is coming next week, so remember to subscribe to see that video. But that's basically it. That's the last 2 weeks. I think I was pretty productive because I added a lot of things and I fixed a lot of things. And yeah, I'm pretty happy. And next week I will be creating new maps and lava, so you can actually kill your friends and feel accomplished when you wreck them. So thanks for watching. It was me, Affax, and I'll see you next time. Bye.